Full structural firefighting PPEs are worn when donning an SCBA using the over-the-head method. The only exceptions to this are that the Nomex hood may be rolled down onto the collar, and you may choose to don the SCBA with gloves off for better feel, putting them on prior to completing the SCBA donning evolution. The SCBA should be laid out on the ground neatly, with no twists in the straps and all belts and components in their correct positions. Correcting twists and tangles once the unit is donned can be much more troublesome and time-consuming. Begin by opening the cylinder valve fully and announcing the correct bottle pressure as read at the cylinder valve. The cylinder should be at 90% of capacity or 4,050 psi to be considered a full cylinder. Compare the cylinder pressure to the pressure reading on the Sentinel. A pressure differential of greater than 250 psi between the cylinder and the Sentinel indicates a malfunction and that the SCBA must not be used. Tag the unit out of service. Once the pressures are confirmed, grasp the back plate by the handholds. With the top of the cylinder towards the body and all straps outside the arms, lift the unit overhead. Elbows should be pulled in close to the body, allowing the shoulder straps to drop over them while rotating the cylinder valve down the back. Leaning forward, the SCBA should be allowed a controlled slide down the back to rest between the shoulder blades while the shoulder straps are simultaneously pulled. Care should be taken to avoid over-tightening the shoulder straps at this point, causing the SCBA to ride too high on the back. The weight of the SCBA should be carried primarily on the hips. Locate the waist strap and secure it at the level that allows the SCBA to sit on the hips. Now take up any remaining slack in the shoulder straps. Grasp the SCBA mask by the body with one hand and the head net or straps with the other hand. Place the chin in the chin cup and pull the head net or straps up and over the head. Ensure all sealing surfaces of the mask sit flush against the face. Any obstructions between the face and mask, such as straps or hair, will prevent a proper seal. Tighten the mask beginning at the lowest straps. Pull the jaw straps simultaneously and straight backwards until secure. Pull the temple straps in the same manner, simultaneously and straight backwards. Lastly, secure the top strap if so equipped. Properly don the Nomex hood. Properly don the helmet. Remove the lung demand valve from the waist belt holder. Insert the outlet of the LDV into the mask while listening for a click, indicating that the LDV is locked in. This click in and of itself cannot be trusted. A firm tug on the LDV at this point to confirm it's locked into place is mandatory for every donning evolution. Every donning of an SCBA mask also requires that a mask seal check be performed. Press and hold firmly the donning button on the LDV as a slow breath in is attempted. With an adequate seal, the mask should suck into the face somewhat and remain there until exhalation or the donning button is released. Properly don the gloves. Investigate and correct any signs of poor mask seal prior to entering an IDLH.